Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to convert BTC to USDT on MEXC Global. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your MEXC Global application, which of course I have done right here. Now the next thing I'd like you to do is to know how to launch or to know how to download and install the application. Now where exactly can you get an MEXC Global application from? You can get it on Google Play Store or Apple Store, that's depending on the device that you use. Launch any of those applications and locate the search bar. In the search bar, go ahead and type MEXC Global and follow through the on-screen instructions to install. Of course, after installing, it's going to take you right into the sign-up page. Rather than the sign-up page, you're going to be asked to either log in using an existing account or to create an entirely new account. Now, whichever one you choose, once you sign in successfully, it's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time on MEXC Global. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's text, and that is how to convert BTC to USDT on MEXC Global. Now from this homepage, I would like you to head over to the top corner of your screen where you have the search crypto/futures option. Now that is one of the methods, and of course the second method is to click on the trade icon at the bottom corner of your screen. So let's go ahead and click on the trade icon at the bottom corner of the screen. So click on that and that takes you right into this window. Now at the top corner, you're going to find spot, futures, and P2P. Ensure that it is set to spot. So over here at the top left corner where you have Dodge/USDT, go ahead and click on that. And once you click on that, you're going to find the search bar. In the search bar, go ahead and type BTC USDT. So we're going to look for BTC USDT, which is the first thing right here on the screen. BTC/USDT. Now go ahead and click on that and that takes you over here. Now it means we are ready to convert BTC to USDT on MEXC. But if you use the buy button, right, it's set to buy. If you use the buy button, it means you want to buy BTC. But then if you want to convert BTC to USDT so you can get USDT from BTC, head over to the sell button, move it to sell. And once you go ahead and click on sell, you'll be able to sell this BTC. And once you sell the BTC, you will get USDT. So go ahead and set your limit, your amount, your quantity, and sell this BTC to receive the USDT. So this is pretty much how you can convert BTC to USDT on MEXC Global. You can go over the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.